you guys, welcome to Child's Play in Action. So the challenge of brushing teeth is real.
Did you guys want to hear the story about Thomas while you brush teeth? Okay.
So the idea is really how to make teeth brushing time into story time. And one thing that I really love to do is start a story that has characters that my son loves.
He was going so fast that he went off the rails. Can you show me how you'd show me like really brush teeth so fast? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. And then, oh, maybe you go on your tongue off the rails. Oh, uh-oh.
I don't really ever know where the story's going, and it doesn't really matter. Just sort of saying yes to your own storytelling ideas as you're brushing teeth is fine.
And do you know who comes along next? Harold. Harold the helicopter, right? He comes up and he brings Thomas all the way up high. Maybe go to your top teeth. Yeah. He brings him so high up into the sky to shake him off, to shake off all that water he got from when he went in that pond. Oh. Should we rinse now? How do you feel good?
I feel good.
Okay, good. Here,
For more games and tools, subscribe to our channel.